This is the queue to go through security. Fantastic.
No? Is there? So there's no lounge here for American?
No. Fantastic.
This is the priority boarding queue?
Fantastic.
My day started here at St. Lucia's Hewanora International Airport, where I'll be flying in American's short-haul business class product on one of their 737 MAX planes. If you enjoy this type of travel content, then make sure to hit subscribe. Miami. Okay. What's the problem with it? Okay, no problem, thanks. May not get past checking at this rate. Okay, is it just the queue there for going through? Yeah, no problem at all. Perfect, thank you.
Okay, we are checked in, and this is the queue to go through security.
As there was no fast track lane for business class passengers, it was about an hour wait in this queue before getting through to the departure lounge. After that long wait, I was really looking forward to getting into the lounge. Hi there.
Okay, for American Airlines, we do not have any arrangement.
No? Is there? So there's no lounge here for American?
No.
Not for business, no?
No.
Okay.
The priority, it would be like a club membership that we accept. That's priority pass. Not yet.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so there is now space. However, apparently flying in business class as a Sapphire member One World with American Airlines, you don't get lounge access. Fantastic. Well, American Airlines, that's bad point one. Already in the bag, we've not even left the ground.
Yeah, could I have the cookies and cream and the mint chocolate, please? As there was no lounge for me, I got myself an ice cream and found a good viewpoint to see my plane arriving. Boarding was called and I headed to the gate. As a business class passenger, I was in Group 1 for boarding, but as you can see, the whole plane was seemingly in Group 1. As it turned out, hardly any of these passengers were actually in Group 1, however the ground staff didn't really care too much and just let anyone board at any time. Total free for all boarding. I guess it's a small airport, so who can blame anyone for standing at the front? Didn't have it for long, but I'm going to miss this heat like big time. Well, the ground experience was really poor, so let's hope the onboard service is better. First thing I noticed was no welcome onto the plane. This seems like a small thing, but I don't think I've ever boarded a plane and not been welcomed by the crew. Here's my seat for the day, 3A. Let's take a look around. There was no pre-departure drinks served, and before long, we were headed to Miami. Shortly after takeoff, we were given a hot towel, which is a nice touch. Also, a bar service was offered with a small bowl of nuts. So far, so good. I was expecting the meal service to follow shortly after. This was not the case. It was a good 45 to 50 minutes later before I got any food. This isn't a huge problem, but if you're planning to get any sleep or any work done, it's difficult to do when the meal service is so long. I have to say, the food was mediocre at best. The starter was tough and tasteless. The chicken for the main was so dry it was difficult to cut. The potato, well, it was just boring. However, the dessert was up my street, so American, you can have pass marks on that. As if waiting forever to get the meal wasn't bad enough, it was at least 25 or 30 minutes after I'd finished before the crew came and collected the trays. The crew on this flight did not seem interested in giving the passengers a good experience. Maybe they were having a bad day, but it wasn't a great image for the airline, especially when I'm used to the amazing service from British Airways crew. The business class crew member even had a full-on shouting rant at an economy passenger for coming to use the front toilet. Now for something that I love about American Airlines, which I think others in Europe should be looking at. There is a mount on the back of the seat for your phone or tablet, so you can treat it like seatback entertainment. Better still, you have access to hundreds of TV shows and movies for free on the AA website while on board. This is a fantastic feature for planes without in-flight entertainment, although I didn't have much time to enjoy it due to the length of the meal service. And just like that, we were approaching Miami and my American Airways short-haul experience was coming to an end. People always complain about the seating that BA and other European carriers have in their short-haul business class. However, in my opinion, the quality of service and ground experience make a European business class flight much more enjoyable.